Now it's time for Cooking with Mr. Gee! Today, we'll be making a hard-boiled egg. Let's gather our ingredients. First, we need an egg. Where would we find an egg? Not in the cabinet. Keep looking, Mr. Gee. In the refrigerator? That's right. Next, we need a pot. Those are not pots, those are skillets, and are bad for boiling eggs. Good, but one pot is too big. Which pot should we use for boiling one egg? That's right, the small pot. Next, we need a spoon large enough to put an egg in boiling water safely. Those are both spoons, but one is too small. Which one should we use? That's right. The large slotted spoon can pick up the egg safely. Now, we need a bowl. Later, we'll fill this bowl with cold water to cool down our hard-boiled egg. We'll also need a hot pad or an oven mitt to protect our hands from the heat. Good. Safety first, Mr. Gee. Now we can start cooking. Let's fill the pot with water. Is that enough water? That's right. We need more water. Enough water to cover the egg completely. Good. Now place the pot on the stove and turn on the burner. If you're not sure which burner to turn on, ask an adult for help. Good. Now we have to wait for the water to boil. This may take a while. What are some things you can do while we wait? Is the water boiling yet? It is. You can tell the water is boiling by the bubbles rising to the surface like a little jacuzzi. Now, let's get our egg and place it in the spoon. Careful, don't drop it. That was a close one, Mr. Gee. Now, slowly lower the egg into the water and be careful not to splash. Nicely done. Now we need to set a timer for 13 minutes. Good. Now we wait. Mr. Gee. Stay in the kitchen. The egg is done cooking. Now it's time to turn off the burner. Good. Now slowly take the egg out of the hot water and place it in the bowl with the cool water. Careful. Well done. Now set a timer for 5 minutes to give the egg time to cool down. We're almost done. Nice job, Mr. Gee. Now that the egg is cooled down and safe to handle, take it out of the water and dry it off with a paper towel. The egg is now ready to peel. You can eat it by itself or use it to make another dish. But until we know what we'll do with it, place it in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. The next part is up to you.